Looking for carpet stretching or any carpet repair? How about carpet cleaning? Called Chubby Chubby Carpet Cleaners. They're your guys.
I have never had my rugs look so wonderful. They almost look practically new. And I've had a lot of companies come to this house. I've had Stanley Steamers, I've had Coit, I've had Chem Dry and some organic company. But believe me, these guys are the best. And if you want your home to look and your rugs to look new, please go with Chubby.
If you want your carpets clean, come to Chubby Chubby. They do a great job. They're fast, they're quick. Yeah. Sorry, I got distracted by that.
I 100% recommend Chubby Chubby Carpet Cleaner to do any repairs or cleaning that you may need on your home's carpet. They do absolutely incredible work and we are so satisfied.